60 seconds you need to know before you go. Bitcoin, 48,000, 45,000, back to 46. Bang! Take a look also, Kim Kardashian's favorite brand. That would, other than hers, be Glu Mobile. That's right. They're getting bought by EA. Shares are up 34%. Bang! Yes, we had it for unusual activity. Cody, one of her sisters, obviously already has a deal with Cody, so does Kim. Nonetheless, cosmetics company reported earnings that were above street estimates. However, demand was dented by the pandemic and shares are falling by double digits, 16% in the pre-market. Take a look at Chegg. This is the textbooks and so forth over the internet. Chegg beats estimates by 6 cents a share. It's moving higher by 3% in the pre. Looking around, Canopy Growth along with Tilray both continuing to move higher. Bang! Take a look at Hanesbrands, HBI, trading that one, beat estimates by almost 10 cents. And it is higher by 3%. And lastly, Centene, this is a health insurer, missed estimates by a penny. That stock under some pressure. We're watching that one closely right now. I am Jon Najarian. Check out 3 at 3 every business day. And I'll be on the halftime report, noon Eastern. Bang! Let's get some.